guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand for sending over this iPhone 17 Pro Max case. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, as soon as I took it out of the packaging, I really love the color. It's a nice, pretty brown background color with this dark brown leopard print. I will point out, and I'm going to show you even close up in the video, this is not added texture. This is simply just printed on as part of the design. You will see when I show you close up how you can use the strap to both carry and prop up your phone. So let's take a close look. This is an iPhone 17 Pro Max case. The background is a lighter brown, and then you have the leopard print that is the darker brown. The accent pieces here in metal are definitely a gold color. And then I also want to point out the leopard print is not raised. So this isn't like any kind of added texture. This is just the design print, but you don't feel anything like raised when you are touching that. The strap here, if you pull this, this is an easy way to carry it if you want to just pick up and go. It also, this is pretty cool, serves as a prop if you want to have your iPhone standing up so you can view. I'll show you what it would look like from the front. That is an amazing feature, and I absolutely love it. It does have this ring here. If you look right here, I'm not sure. You could definitely use this to clip onto a purse or something like that, but I wouldn't put anything that's going to put a lot of pressure here that might pull that off. I also want to point out here around the camera lenses, you do have these elevated ridges, which offers a little bit of added protection. And then you have that same raised, or let me show you, the lip that right here that goes over the glass, which again is going to offer you a little bit of added protection. Overall, if you're in the market for an iPhone 17 Pro Max case, this is one you would want to check out. I will say it feels like it's pretty solid in my hands, and I honestly love this design. It does come in other colorways, so if this one doesn't quite suit you, just check it out and see what else they have to offer.